Right, viewers, you might miss Alex on Ask Profit today, but don't worry, we got you covered as well. But let's look at the other key aspects of the global trade. President Trump has proposed a 50 to 100% tariffs on China. He's also urged NATO to halt Russian oil purchases as well. Now, tariffs is a key word for Trump in his dictionary, to say the least. And in a letter addressed to all NATO nations and the world, he posted this on Truth Social. He mentioned that these steps were essential to ending the war in Ukraine. The North Atlantic Treaty Organization, or NATO, has 32 member countries consisting of states from Europe and North America. Trump argued that NATO's dependence on Russian oil weakens its bargaining power, while China's influence over Moscow could be countered with punitive tariffs. Major averages finished out a strong week last week. In a particular, that the Nasdaq Composite closed at a record high, rising 2% for its second winning week in a row. The S&P 500 as well, 0.05% up. It almost gained roughly about 1.6% in the last week as well. It posted its best weekly performance. And this is also since early August. The Dow wrapped up its first positive week in almost 3 weeks, and the strong gains come after the latest economic data showing a weakening labor market, as well as tame inflation, spurring hopes for a Fed rate cut. And September 17th is the day that you need to mark on your calendar as well. That's going to be the one to watch out for. While the inflation data has been at least under control, the labor market weakness could potentially lead the Fed to cut rates this time around. But let's get back to the domestic market. Take stock